Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to convert an Excel file to PDF. First, open your Excel workbook and navigate to the specific worksheet you wish to convert. Then, click on the File tab in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Save As and choose a location to save your new PDF document. This method is straightforward and works for most basic conversions, ensuring your data is preserved accurately. For more control over your PDF output, consider using the Print to PDF option. Go to the File tab and select Print. From the Printer drop-down, choose Microsoft Print to PDF. This allows you to fine-tune settings like page orientation, scaling, and margins. You can also set specific print areas, ensuring only the relevant data appears in your PDF. Always preview your document to catch any formatting issues before printing. What if you need to convert multiple worksheets or even an entire workbook into a single PDF? You can select multiple sheets by holding the Control key and clicking on their tabs. Then, go to File, select Print, and under Settings, choose Entire Workbook. Make sure Microsoft Print to PDF is your selected printer. This will consolidate all your chosen sheets into one comprehensive PDF document, saving you time and effort. Sometimes, online converters can be a quick solution, especially for smaller files. Just upload your Excel file, and the service will convert it to PDF. However, always use reputable websites and be cautious with sensitive information. After any conversion, whether online or offline, always review your new PDF to ensure all data and formatting are correct. Remember to save your original Excel file before making any changes or conversions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.